As college students, we all deal with a huge amount of anxiety and stress sometimes, especially in the society we live in today. It's a very common problem, and stress and anxiety have been proven to cripple the immune system and the healing abilities of the body. What if I told you there was a holistic approach to take to lower stress levels and to numerous immuno-enhancing benefits from taking this one herb into your diet? Well, in fact, you can. It's pretty easy. I've always been really interested in superfoods and how they can take your body to optimal athletic performance as well as healing benefits for your body. This is what I will tell you in the presentation. I will tell you how this herb lowers stress, helps athletic performance, and improves brain health. This famous ancient herb is beautifully nicknamed Indian winter cherry for its red berry bulbs and really leafy yellow flowers. The botanical name is Wintera somnifera, or commonly named ashwagandha. Translated from Sanskrit, it means smell of horse because of its potent, kind of nasty smell, but it also is a symbol of how the horse and how it affects the humans when taken to become strong and have really interesting and cool abilities by helping the body. So, since ashwagandha is the longest and most used medicinal herb, it has been extensively researched. Narendra Singh from the African Journal of Traditional Complementary and Alternative Medicine states that it is used for various kinds of diseases, processes, and especially as a nervine tonic. Considering these facts, many scientific studies have been carried out in its adaptogenic stress-reducing abilities in depth. Ashwagandha is called an Ayurveda, which means it's been used in traditional medicine for over 3,000 years for its health and longevity benefits. So, it's from the continent of India, growing in dry areas like Sri Lanka and Pakistan. So, the main power of it is that it is a very grounding herb that lowers stress, anxiety, and depression with these three components called phytochemicals. So the three are alkaloids, steroidal lactones, and withanolides. Withanolides are the main ones which give it its adaptogenic properties, which adapt the body to heal and deal with stress in the immune system. It essentially maintains homeostasis. It comes in an extract, capsule, and ground powder form. This is the capsule form. Singh explains how withanolides work by boosting hormones by working as plant-based precursors on the cell membrane. So that gives it the immunomodulatory effect. There was a trial done by Narendra Singh of the African Journal of Traditional Medicine, and they tested people with anxiety over a 12-week period. And the results came in that their anxiety was reduced by 56.5%, and significant differences with mental health, concentration, vitality, and overall quality of life, with no serious adverse effects, which I think is really cool. Dr. Axe, medical doctor and author of the Ancient Nutrition book, best-selling book, has done extensive research on the topic, and he recommends incorporating this herb into many of his recipes, such as energy balls, smoothies, turmeric lattes, and more. He recommends starting at 300 to 500 milligrams per day and then working up to about 1,000 to 1,500, depending on what you're dealing with and what effects you want. So, another point is that it enhances stamina and endurance in athletes. A study was done on the performance of rats while swimming. So the first control group swam for 385 minutes, and then the next group given ashwagandha almost doubled their time. So after they were given ashwagandha, they swam 740 minutes. Dr. Axe also cites the International Society of Sports Nutrition in his article and says that it increases muscle strength, muscle recovery, balanced body mass index, boosted testosterone, and also anti-arthritic properties. Another point is that it has um, a lot of neuroprotective properties and helps with brain health. Dr. Singh presents more research on people suffering from neurodegenerative diseases. It slows, stops, and reverses or removes neuritic atrophy and synaptic loss. Helps with Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and Huntington's disease. In closing, ashwagandha root will continue to be used for its powerful medicinal benefits to adapt your body to cope with stress, to boost energy and stamina for athletes, as well as support brain health. Thank goodness ashwagandha, just like a horse, is known for its abilities, not its smell. Thank you for listening.